Saturday practice.
Hold on, let's wait for her.
She's upset because she's colorblind.
That was good, nice.
So today we're having our first annual March for Peace. Unity Club is hosting this event. They organized it. It was a student's idea from last semester. We finally got to execute it today, and we're hoping that this is an event that can be collaborated with all the other schools in the district and make one large March for Peace next semester. Unity Club is a student organization that promotes peace, unity, togetherness. Our goal is to break barriers between different cultures and hopefully to try to dispel stereotyping.
Oh, that's awesome. Jules, was the sign tall? Did you have the sign tall for the picture? No.